Saturday, so I am off the ship. My camera died last night, so I couldn't show you guys the rest of the party, but it was super lit. Right now, I am taking a tour of the best of Miami to waste some time because my flight is not until this evening. So right now, we're just hanging out in Little Havana. Okay, so now I am in Wynwood, which is the Art District of Miami. So I'm just checking out some wall murals, some cool stuff really quickly. And we only have like 15 minutes here on the tour, but I know that there is a mural that I want to see. So if you guys don't know, my favorite artist of all time is Prettyprchick. So there is a mural here with a mugshot of Basquiat and Warhol. My second favorite artist of all time. Alright, so if you notice a familiar background, I am finally home. So I am back in Buffalo. But yeah, I'm glad I made it home safely. And picked up Bentley. And guess what? All my fish and my plants are still alive. But my voice, however, is dead. But yeah, so I'm kind of doing a little bit of unpacking today. Oh, sorry guys, I'm tired. I'm doing a little unpacking, trying to get my apartment back in order, and that's it. I'm gonna get some rest. So I'm hoping to have these vlogs edited and uploaded for you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching and supporting that channel. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.